Blue-eyed girl and gray-eyed boy whisper dreams with hearts of joy. Up above, moonlight shines, a silver glow. Stars above begin to show. They twinkle, sparkling dots in skies so wide,
guiding us through night's soft tide.
Make a wish, the children say. Tiny stars will light our way. Dreams can fly both near and far, carried by a shooting star. It takes our wishes high. I will be a pilot high, flying airplanes through the sky, zooming fast and I will paint with colors bright, rainbows glowing day and night. Planets dance in gentle rings, Saturn's crown of icy things, shiny jewels that twirl and
Jupiter's stripes, Mars so red.
Stories fill each sleepy head. Planets I can count from 1 to 10. Then I'll start all over again. Numbers twinkle, shining bright. Learning dreams bring us delight. Counting stars is fun to do. Castles high with golden gates.
Magic dragons guard the lakes.
They protect the dreams we keep. Tiny stars will guide the way. Through the land of dreams we play. Every step feels bright and new. Helping hands and hearts that care. Dreams of kindness everywhere. Love and light are treasures. Sharing tolls and spreading cheer. Love grows stronger every year. Every dream we share, dreams come true. Grandma, Grandpa love you too. Our family's love shines light. Hand in hand we'll always be. Dreams are part of family. Love will guide us through. Twinkle, twinkle, little light. Guide us safely through the night. With our family, love shines. Dreams so big, though we are small. Tiny stars can shine for all. Blue-eyed girl and gray-eyed boy sleep in peace with hearts of joy. Big dreams rise like glowing stars. Tiny sparks are who we are, shining bright.